Hi there. Welcome back to Kindly Simple, where we make life simple. Today, we're diving into one of nature's most powerful healers, celery juice. From glowing skin to improved digestion, the health benefits of this humble green juice are nothing short of amazing. Let's explore why you should consider adding celery juice to your daily routine. 1. Nutritional breakdown. Celery juice is packed with essential nutrients like vitamin K, vitamin C, potassium, and powerful antioxidants. It's also low in calories and hydrating, making it a fantastic choice for anyone looking to boost their overall health. 2. Digestive health benefits. One of the standout benefits of celery juice is its impact on digestion. The natural enzymes and fiber in celery can help improve gut health, reduce bloating, and even ease symptoms of acid reflux. Plus, its high water content supports proper hydration, which is key for a happy digestive system. 3. Detox and anti-inflammatory properties. Did you know celery juice is a natural detoxifier? It helps flush out toxins and reduce inflammation throughout the body. This can be especially beneficial for people with chronic conditions like arthritis or autoimmune issues. 4. Skin and energy boost. If you're looking for glowing skin, celery juice might be your new best friend. Its hydration and nutrient-rich profile help combat dryness and support collagen production. And don't forget the energy boost. Celery juice is known for its ability to enhance focus and vitality, thanks to its natural electrolytes. 5. How to get started. Getting started with celery juice is easy. Just wash and chop a bunch of fresh celery, run it through a juicer, strain one more time with a sieve, then enjoy. For best results, drink it first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. Start with about 16 ounces daily and see how your body responds. Celery juice is a simple, natural way to support your health and feel your best. Have you tried it yet? Let me know in the comments about your experience or if you're planning to give it a shot. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more tips for living your healthiest, happiest life, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and hit that subscribe button. And be sure to ring the notification bell so you never miss a new video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.